this is Carlos again. In this video, I will show you our production process of LED strip line. Attach a production flow chart to give you a general idea of the process. Okay, let's go to the site now. We are a dust-free and static-free factory, so before entering the production line, we should wear the anti-static clothing and through the automatic voice air shower. Here is our production line waterproof of LED strip. Here is the production line of our IP65H heat shrink tube LED strip. After finished aging testing of non-waterproof LED strip, we place the empty silicone tube on the table, time the wire cable of LED strip with the load inside the silicone sleeve. One star, put the load from one end to the another end and make the LED strip can pass the sleeve while pulling the staff. Use air gun to blow air into the sleeve so that the LED strip can be slid to the bottom of sleeve and pass through the casting smoothly. After the strip has been completely inside the sleeve, it will be put inside the reflow soldering machine to make air come out from the tube, and the strip can be tightly wrapped by the sleeve. Then we cut the extra empty sleeve. Use double wall heat shrink tube to protect the soldering pad. Then aging testing, this VMT viewing and package. Okay, so much for production processing of our regular waterproof LED strip. Let's go for next product. See you.